Well, hello there everybody. Welcome to my kitchen, the place where I make food that is always a crowd pleaser. Now today we're making something that goes down in my house. We're making burgers. Not just any burgers, we're making meat-free burgers, and we're serving that with some roasted peppers and onions and some McCain crispy oven chips, and we're doing all of that in the Philips air fryer. We're gonna start off by getting our peppers and red onion into the air fryer. Olive oil. Well, good. All right, let's pop it into the air fryer. In they go. 180, 8 minutes. Lift off. Oh, look at that. Glorious. That's what it's looking like after 8 minutes at 180. I'm gonna blast it now 200 for an additional 2 minutes. Let's see. Dwing, dwing. That's looking delicious, man. It's still got that vibrant color on, which is really what I like. And that's gonna pop so much on our burger. Now, we're gonna make our crispy oven chips. These are the bomb, guys. My favorite flavor, Texan BBQ. These are super addictive and they're really good for you. Now that they've also kept the skin on, additional nutritional value, additional fiber. Let's pop them in. All right, pop them in, and now I'm gonna use the smart sensing technology on this air fryer. You'll see here there's a whole bunch of different modes. Frozen chips, fish, chicken, and I'm gonna choose frozen chips, and I'm gonna press. And it chooses the temperature and time for me. How cool is that? Now what's really cool about burgers at home is that everybody kind of digs into the fridge and gets what they like. And one of the things that we love is making a flavored mayo. So this, you need to pay attention because you need some mayo, some sriracha. Squeeze it in, and you've got a delicious Sriracha Mayo. Once you've incorporated all of that, a little bit of pepper. Delicious. All right, and that there pops up halfway through the smart sensing experience, which means that we gotta shake it out. Delicious. And I swear, there's so much you can do when you're cooking with the air fryer. Like, there's so much extra stuff. Like, do you need me to clean the house, babe? All right, guys, our house is clean. Jammed a game of FIFA. What's always important, always, never forget it as a home cook, is to always quality control. So, wow, these are good. Man, it's just the flavor on them and then that crispy skin that's on there. Meat-free patties, whichever ones you like, right? We're gonna brush them with a little bit of oil. Some delicious avocado oil. And now we season. The space that you have in this XXL air fryer is what I really love. We're a family of 4, so this makes a lot of sense. All right, I'm gonna crank these at 200 for 8 minutes. I'm gonna try and not finish this. All right, here's the thing about the air fryer is that we can keep opening it up, checking what's going on. And that's important for us as home cooks, is to keep checking. And because you might choose a different patty. So what I'm seeing here, 200, 5 minutes, all of that caramelization is happening. That's looking good. I don't want it to go any further, so I'm gonna take it out now. And now we add our cheese on top. And then we're gonna close it. We're not gonna put any heat on this. There's already heat inside the air fryer. And hopefully, the cheese melts a little. We're gonna finish up these peppers with a squeeze of lime juice. We're gonna chop up some fresh coriander. And that's just gonna add a lovely level of freshness. All right, let's plate up. Now, the buns, I've toasted them. Really important. Make sure that the bun doesn't get soggy and it gives it a lovely texture. Sprigs of rocket, which has got a lovely pepper bite to it. Boom, pop a lid on it. Hello. Look at all that goodness. Damn, that screams feast to me. All right, let's get the feast ready. A little bit of that Sriracha Mayo so we can zip. And if that's not a crowd pleaser, I don't know what is. Bye, y'all. Let's eat, everybody.